안녕하세요, 초호입니다. Hi, this is Choho. Today, I want to unbox some items that I purchased from Japan. I recently was in Japan and visited two of the Travelers Factory stores, one in Nakameguro and then one in the Tokyo station. And then I also visited Starbucks Reserve to purchase some of their inventory, some of their items. So, here are some items. Let's open it up. I had them wrap a lot of these gifts, but then as I was packing, a lot of them got wrinkled and yeah, not in the best shape. They used to be so pretty. So, these were just magnificent. Look at all these examples of beautiful watercolors, and then examples of travel itinerary, books. These are just absolutely gorgeous. I wish I would be able to do something similar. These are some examples of travelers' journals of recommended places in Kyoto. And then this one. Anywho, let's look at the Starbucks ones first. So this one is a limited edition Starbucks Reserve Travelers Company exclusive Coffee Tokyo Journey. So it's an insert that was, I don't remember, but it's got 10 sheets and then 20 pockets. These would be really useful for like receipts and tickets. I could put my ticket stubs in there for my traveling, but also just any kind of memorabilia. Super cute. And then also I got this insert. This one is also from Starbucks Reserve. I really like this logo. They had the traveler's note with this logo embroidered, and it was so expensive that I couldn't buy it, but it was absolutely gorgeous. I might have purchased it if I stayed there a little longer. Anyways, I'm a big coffee fan, so I wanted to definitely get it. I do really like this color as well, sort of faded blue, light blue. This one has 64 pages. So it's considerably thicker than the pocketbook that I purchased, and it's just cream colored. So these two are the inserts that I purchased from Starbucks Reserve. And I also purchased I want to preserve this paper. No. No. All right. This one also has that Starbucks Reserve sticker. Ta-da! This is the matching masking tape or washi tape with this one. Let me see. It's got melon soda as well as their signature drinks there. Coffee, tea, iced tea, and so on and so forth. It even has the building. Super cute. I won't be opening these. I'll be swatching these later. But right now, let me skip to the next items. I visited the Nakameguro one first because it's the biggest one, and also it's the main store. That's where I bought most of these. I didn't actually get a lot from the Tokyo Station one. It was not only small, but they didn't really have a lot of inventory. So let's look at this one. This is the highlight because ta-da! It's my first passport-sized traveler's notebook. They ran out of the camel color when I visited, but as I was looking, they replenished it, so got lucky. All right. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Ta-da! Traveler's notebook. Okay, comes with one. Oh, I really like this color. Yeah. All right. I might make it as thin as possible so it's easier for me to carry. But here's my first ever passport note. Along with that, I also got a zipper case. So this is so that I could carry stickers and washi tape along with just any inserts, so it's more portable. I also got a lined insert. Look how affordable this is, 264 yen. It's about $2. $2, so in USD. This one is a white lined paper. I personally like lined notebooks because I'm not the best at writing straight lines. So I personally like these the best. And I do really like the color because it resembles American passport, the navy color. I also got a sketch paper. I'm not an artist, so I'm not really good at drawing. However, you know, I was really inspired by the samples that were shown on the traveler's time, so I wanted to see if I could attempt it. At least I have color pencils and watercolor. These are bright white paper that's a lot thicker. I'm looking forward to possibly trying to draw. Another one I got is a free diary one. This one was a little bit more expensive. It was 550 yen. I got this because I do like how simple it is and it's to the point. And look at this departure card. Absolutely beautiful. And along with that, I got this accordion fold paper. I don't know, I have to look at the receipt to see how much this was. And it unfolds like this, and it's a little bit thinner paper than construction paper or index paper, but thicker than the regular writing paper. I was thinking about doing a scrapbook for my travels. I could do like per city, or I could do memories per day. I haven't made a decision, but useful for that. I got 2 postcards as well. These are with like stamped memorabilia and an airplane. Have a nice trip. The world is for all the travelers who have a free spirit. I I debated getting the special edition one, but I cannot pass on the original. It's the clip, brass clip with the Traveler's Company Japan Traveler's Notebook embodied on it. It says, this is a clip to keep Traveler's Notebook open. It is useful when you write down something or take a picture of it. As it is made of solid brass, the more you use it, the more attractive the color turns. Ta-da! Oh, look how beautiful that is. The band is really strong. I'm afraid that I'll actually work. I'll dent the leather. I'm a little scared to use it, but I gotta use it. Ta-da! To keep it open. It's heavy enough that it actually holds it in place. Alright, next up, this is the only thing that I purchased at the Tokyo station. Honestly went there for the stamping. And I'll share my stamping insert. So this one was for the Tokyo station. It resembles a patch, so that's why I really liked it. It's with the train edition, and it says, all aboard. Oh. I was thinking about putting them onto like a blank insert as one of the covers. These are gifts, so I won't be opening these. I visited WASHI, which is in Santa Ana, California, and it was for the stamping caravan. I went there just for the stamps and then just check out what kind of merchandise they have. It was a beautiful store that was crowded with like-minded lovers. I really appreciated that. However, they didn't really have a lot of stamps. There's only one thing that was different. I wish they had more of like US feel stamping. So these are the two that I used as my stamping inserts while I was traveling in Tokyo. And then I used this as sort of a practice board and this one as my main one. So I started with the Traveler's Cafe, coffee biscuits. I only stamped one side in case I wanted to cut them out and use the stickers. For the Diner series, I really like the Diner series one. I won't be purchasing the whole set, but if I could get my hands on the stickers, I would love that. On Cloud 9. Look how cute this one is. It's a collaboration with Manual Factory by Logon. This one is so cute. Hey ho, let's go with the cassette tape. And then the Hotel series and Train series. Third Planet from the Sun, the Earth. I'm assuming they had an Earth themed one in the past. This one actually came out perfectly. Have a nice trip with good music. This one is also beautiful. They had specialty merchandise that with the like a disc and retro feel, like keychains and stuff. Super cute, but I don't really use them. Some more rounded stamps, round stamps. This one says Blue Edition, but I got it in purple. Visit Pass. I accidentally put it on double-sided. That was not intended. 10th anniversary sticker or stamp. 10 notebooks, 10 colors, sailing on the 7 seas. At the Tokyo station one, they had cities, different Japanese cities that you could stamp, which was so much fun. On the other side, I went crazy. So for this one, I only included the cities that I visited. So I've been to Osaka, Kyoto, Seoul, Hong Kong. I've been to both. I really wanted to visit the Traveler's Notebook shop in Seoul, but didn't get a chance to do so. So that was definitely one thing I should have, could have, would have, and I will be visiting next year when I visit. So I've been to Fukuoka, Hiroshima, obviously Tokyo, and look at my failed attempt at the visit pass. And these are the two, not two, but these are the stamps of the stamp caravan. And I finished this one. This one I went crazy with not only the cover, and then these are, this big stamp is only available at the Tokyo station. And then this one I stamped on both sides and went nuts. And from this point on, I stamped as many cities as I can. So this one has Hokkaido. I really want to visit. I want to go to Nara to visit the deer. The craft paper, because it's craft paper, you can't really see it as clearly as the other one. That's why I used it as more of a practice sheet, as well as just collection. At the M.LOVEWELL, I purchased these two inserts. This one's just a blank one. That comes with the set. And then this one is a sticker release paper. Obviously. So I used a lot of stickers and thought, these might come in useful so I don't have to carry a whole binder full of stickers. I've never tried it, so I want to see if it actually works really well. So I might swatch the masking tape onto these and then see how these work. So that was the Starbucks Reserved masking tape. Let's move on to the next item. Oh, so pretty. That concludes, let me organize this a little bit more, but that concludes my Traveler's Notebook purchases from Japan. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!